What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare dropship.io and AutoDS. Which really among the two is better? So let's dive into the video. Dropship.io versus AutoDS. Two of the biggest names in dropshipping tools right now. But in 2025, which one actually gives you the edge? Let's compare them feature for feature and see who really wins. Let's start with dropship.io, the new kid on the block. It's built specifically for product research and listing automation. Clean interface, fast product discovery, and tight integration with Shopify. It's lean, focused, and fast. Now AutoDS. This one's more of an all-in-one powerhouse. Product importing, order automation, price monitoring, supplier tracking, and even built-in fulfillment. It's got everything, but that also means a steeper learning curve. Pricing, Dropship.io is straightforward and slightly cheaper. Ideal if you're just starting out or focused on product research. AutoDS, it's more expensive, especially if you unlock automation or multiple stores, but you get way more back-end power. Here's the deal. Dropship.io is awesome for quickly finding winning products, especially if you like vetting products yourself and moving fast on Shopify. AutoDS is your choice if you're scaling, running multiple stores, or want to set things on autopilot, from product sourcing to fulfillment. So, who wins in 2025? If you're a beginner or focused on product research, Dropship.io wins for simplicity and speed. But if you're in this for long-term automation and scale, AutoDS is the champ. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!